It can be a challenge to take care of your hair while traveling, as you have to deal with different environmental conditions. I am often asked my secret for looking after my hair during travel. I carry this most effective Briganantadi hair repair and nourishing oil literally everywhere I go during travel. It keeps my hair lustrous and voluminous. It also repairs my hair from all the damage that is caused by traveling in the sun. Blue Nectar hair oil is a formulation of 9 herbs like bhringraj, amla, muleti, etc. that nourishes and hydrates the hair, prevents hair fall, promotes healthy hair growth, reduces dandruff and itching, and strengthens my hair. The best part is, it is 100% naturally derived, non-sticky and clinically tested Ayurvedic product. Blue Nectar Briganantadi hair repair and nourishing oil is my open secret of beautiful hair anywhere and anytime.